Mounting a MagnaLatch top pull model child safety gate latch is quick and easy on most gates. The latch comes supplied with 12 self-drilling screws, 6 for the latch body and 6 for the striker body, plus a special latch body height adjustment screw. For child resistance purposes, the MagnaLatch release knob needs to be mounted at least 1500 mm above the finished ground surface. This height satisfies most pull safety codes, but check requirements with the appropriate authorities in your area. All the self-drilling screws can be installed using only a standard battery drill with number 2 Phillips head drive. The latch has vertical and horizontal alignment markers to ensure you align and adjust it correctly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust horizontally as necessary. A special screw in the side of the lower moulding prevents the latch from slipping up or down during use. Your latch is now ready for use. Check that the release knob works smoothly. Open and close the gate to check there are no obstructions to latch engagement. Insert the key to lock and unlock the cylinder to ensure it's working correctly. Note the convenient red dot locked/unlocked indicator. Your MagnaLatch is now ready for many years of reliable operation.